Hi, my name is Lisa, and this is the first video in my Humble Beginnings playlist, as you probably saw there. It's actually the first video of my entire YouTube channel. And so the videos in this playlist are humble, as you'll see, because, well, I'm haven't really learned editing and I fumble through my words a little bit because I'm brand new to this. And, I almost deleted them, but I always teach that if you have like an inspired action, something you feel you really wanted to do in your heart, you have to take that step, right? That's what opens you to the next step and the next and the next. And anybody that wants to get started on YouTube has to face that people are going to dislike their videos probably at first, or they're not even going to watch their videos. So I just go ahead and put them up there and no journey is ever going to start if you wait for everything to be perfect. I'm also hoping that if you stop by here, if you have a goal or a dream or like that healing path that you're wanting to get started on, I hope you'll follow my lead. Just start moving forward and trust that the path will open for you as you keep going. If you stick around here, maybe we can do parts of this together. And I was thinking, if you're watching one of these original first videos, I might not have any subscribers yet, and you might be my first one. And I would be so happy about that. Okay. Uh, the other thing about these first videos is that they do actually start to talk about the things that I share in my teaching. And so I wanted to know if you're here, are these topics that you are already familiar with, or are they brand new to you? Are you new to the field of Reiki and energy work, like meditation, spirituality? Or is that something that you already are familiar with? And in that case, I would love to know if you agree or disagree with what I'm saying, or if you've had similar experiences to share, or for anybody, if you need guidance on the kinds of situations that I'm talking about. Yeah, I want this channel to be a resource for people like those that I meet in my private practice, most of whom have some situation from which they're seeking healing, or they feel themselves very energy sensitive and want to learn more about how to work with energy, or a lot of people have heard about Reiki and just very interested in how it works, want to learn how to do it or just learn more about it. So, yeah, and also a lot of the people that I meet that are interested in these more kinds of spiritual ideas often find themselves isolated. Their family or friends don't always get it and sometimes can even be judgmental. So, a lot of times people are looking for a community where they can learn and share and just not feel weird. So, go ahead. Let me know in the comments where you are on your healing journey, whether these videos are the kinds of things that you're interested in, or if there are other topics or types of content that would be useful, please let me know. Okay. So go through the playlist, see what you think about these ideas. You might get a little laugh. I know I laughed when I went back through them. I thought, oh boy, sometimes I really get mixed up on my words, and it doesn't matter though. You can laugh at me. That's okay. We're all getting started for the first time at something, right? Okay, thanks for stopping in. Leave me some comments. Let's get a conversation started here. What do you need? What do you need to live more lightly, more freely, the kind of life that you want to live? And if there's something, what is stopping you from getting on your true life path? Okay? All right, thanks for stopping by. I will see you in the next video.